just celebrating tonight's matchup, or tonight's night, just tonight, with a night full of violence. Tonight we kick things off with a Day of the Dead tag team match. Ultraviolence will be colliding with the Sons of Arkham for the first time ever. Ultraviolence might be one of the most underrated tag teams going today. Just gonna be real with you. But Tommy Demise already speaking that he realizes that he has a tough challenge ahead of him. He realizes that the Sons of Arkham are one of the best goddamn tag teams going today in this sport. Let's kick off KCW's Hardcore Fiesta here on Cinco de Mayo and Revenge of the 5th. Here we go. It looks like the arena's been through a bit of a makeover. It's going on Angel Sapphire, Tommy Demise in the house. And speaking of Tommy Demise, we're giving Rod one more time. Thank God he did not add a T at the end of that goddamn name. And look at Tommy Demise. Look at the look. I don't think this man has blinked since he's made his way to the ring. You creepy son of a bitch. He hasn't blinked at all. Are his eyes real? Back away from him, cameraman. He might try to eat your face. This motherfucker may try to eat your face, ladies and gentlemen. There is so much metal in this goddamn building right now. Oh boy, here he comes. Ultraviolence, former CMW Tag Team Champions. As I said, no stranger to holding gold, but tonight they are going up against the longest reigning KCW Tag Team Champions. I just called this man Nick North. Here comes Big Knox. You see, we have more room here tonight, so he can just... Oh my God. Jesus fucking Christ. See, now we have more room. We have ventilation here in the ECW arena. Not like the warehouse that he just burned to the ground and we had to clear all criminal charges against him. Just got out of control. It got to be a very nasty situation. Knox in the ring. One of the toughest bastards this sport has ever seen. Of course, tomorrow night will be the first Limitless of 2K23. Huge main event to find out who will be facing the Shredder for the KCW Limitless Championship at Blood and Thunder 2. Oh boy. We can't even see him. And of course, Silence is always in the dark anyway. Got really bluesy, got really Midwestern-y in here. I'm a natural born killer. Can we see him, please? I swear to God, I'm going to shoot electric boogaloo right in the ear. Well, there goes the pyro for the night. That was the last of it. We do need to see you. You are another creepy bastard. Very weird bastard, too. But I say that with love. We're going to get the lighting fixed here in this ECW arena. Here we go. Of course, there's been a lot of friction as of late within the Children of Arkham camp between John Stone and between the rest of the members. But John Stone definitely proving that he is still carrying the weight as they picked up a trios match last night on KCW Asylum. Well, never mind. There goes the rest of the pyro. At least we can see John Stone coming to the ring with absolute confidence. Coming to the ring proud of himself last night in that trios match against TD2. It is an absolute hardcore fiesta in here. John Stone making his way to the ring. Again, the Sons of Arkham, the longest reigning KCW Tag Team Champions to date. They've definitely been paying attention to Ultraviolence. Ultraviolence, they cannot be denied any longer. They have been very impressive here in 2023. Can they ride that wave of momentum here tonight at KCW's Hardcore Fiesta? We are in the capital of hardcore here tonight, in the 2300 arena. Here we go, a Day of the Dead street fight. Ring the damn bell, that's right. Oh, and going right for John Stone. Tommy Demise unloading with some heavy strikes. Taking him right down to the mat. Oh, and Silence taking right off with a nasty forearm. Good right hands right to John Stone. Tommy Demise in control, ringing it right at the arm. And a brutal kick right into the face. Silence in control of Mr. Knox. Tommy Demise sending him into the corner here. Oh, Silence interrupting. Nasty uppercut right to the back of the head. Mr. Knox going right to the outside. Turning it around, nasty forearm to the face. Up on his feet, Tommy Demise. Grabbing hold of Silence. And there's a kick for your troubles. For the cover. What's going on? Mello. Oh, and the save there by John Stone. Stone. Grabbing a hold of the Nightmare in New Orleans. Pressuring him with a nasty backbreaker. Oh, Knox still going underneath. Tommy Demise rolls right to the outside. Silence making his way in. Missed the chair shot to the head. As Silence sends Knox into the corner. What's going on, Zeusy? Knox running up. Right in with a zigzag. Focusing right on the neck of Silence. There's action in. There's action out of the ring. This is what I'm talking about. Great famouser there by Knox as he goes into the cover here on Silence. One. And the kick out here at Hardcore Fiesta. Oh, he's grabbing the steel steps. Who's going to... Oh, my God! I was wondering who was going to swing first, but Knox taking advantage as he sends Silence right in over the ropes here. Got him with a nasty forearm. I did that right before the show. Surprised that Rob Van Dam's not here tonight. Shiny short dabs right there. Good Kamehameha wave. Silence setting it up. Face first into the chair goes Knox. Tommy Demise right there. Oh, John Stone looking to intercept. Up over the shoulders. Tommy Demise in control of Silence here as he looks to send him right in over the ropes. Got him with a blow right into the midsection. By the head. Tommy Demise turning him around and folding him inside out. Silence may be in trouble, but John Stone there to make the save. John Stone with a nasty chair shot right to the head of the Nightmare in New Orleans as he still unloads with that steel chair. In over the ropes, Mr. Knox with a hefty flapjack. There's John Stone right there to make the save. To cut him off. Oh, what's he doing? Knox is in trouble. Oh, wait a minute. Knox coming alive. Silence with a nasty kick right there to Tommy Demise as he sends him over the ropes. Grabbing a hold of him. Oh, maybe not. Owen! Sending him right onto the floor with that clothesline right to the back of the skull. Oh my God! What a way to kick off Hardcore Fiesta as John Stone dishes the ladder right into the face of Knox. Right here in this Day of the Dead street fight. Got him hooked. Oh, and right into the canvas goes Silence. Mr. Knox looking for the victory. Here at Hardcore Fiesta, no. Tommy Demise dishing the knee right into the midsection of John Stone on the outside. What the hell is Knox doing? Bringing out the bigger ladder, bringing it into the equation here in what has been a hard-hitting affair between these two teams. Silence with a forearm to the outside here in the ECW arena. Not gonna back up on his feet. Silence. I think he was trying to wheel Knox back in. Nasty knee right into the face. Good kick there by Silence. Side Russian leg sweep. Switches over. John Stone has Tommy Demise looking for a follow-away slam, and Demise with a DDT. Finally getting the momentum back into the favor of Ultraviolence. Reeling him right back in. Grabbed him right by the midsection. Oh, maybe not. Somehow I think that connected. John Stone. Oh, I think Knox came in too early. Short on clothesline there by Silence. Knox back up on his feet. Trying to go for the clothesline. Oof! Great forearm there by Thomas. Silence could be in trouble being outmanned here in this Day of the Dead tag team matchup. Knox. Oh, God. Setting up the ladder, I think. Lord knows what for. Maybe trying to move it out of the way. Mr. Knox. Oh, my God. Somebody call 911. How is Silence getting up? By the head. Tommy Demise making his way on in. Ties up with John Stone. Got him up over the back. Alabama slam onto the ladder. Right by the ankle as he tosses the former Anarchy champ. Oh, good kick to the head. He could have rolled you off, but he didn't. Because he's too focused on Tommy Demise. Oh, gonna cinch him up. Oh, turning it around here. Blowing the knee out of Tommy Demise. Moved out of the way. Tommy running up into a backstabber. John Stone in trouble for the win. God damn it, Billy. Runs up with a hell of a axe handle. Right hand there by John Stone. Stone. Got the sidewalk slam as Knox makes his way in. With the steel stairs. Trying to go with the clothesline. The stomp to the back. The Silence. Looks for a submission here. Looks for a motherfucking submission here. But Knox dishing those meaty elbows right into the face of the former Anarchy champ. Knox up on his feet. John Stone. Tommy up on his feet here. Nasty knee to Silence for the win. Oh, and the save there by John. Tommy Demise making his way back out onto the floor. What's he bringing into the match now? Oh, and what a delivery. Right into the face of Stone. Oh, he's setting it up here. He's setting it on fire. He's about to set the place on fire. Silence. Got him right there by the midsection. Oh, it dishes him into an Arkham City Limits. By the head. Silence rolling him right back in here. Tommy Demise quickly getting back up to his feet. Silence this time setting up a ladder bridge. Oh, wait a minute. Where the hell is Silence going? Need to make up your damn mind, buddy. Oh, and Tommy DeMise about had enough as he grabs him right by the face. Reels him into the ring. That bitch is on fire. I expected nothing different in an Ultraviolence match. Silence dishing out the heavy elbows. What a knee! For the cover, he's busted open, and Tommy DeMise still in this match. I can barely hear myself think. By the head, Tommy DeMise fighting his way on back. Oh my God. Right into a running bulldog. That could be... Oh, Silence still getting to his feet. Tommy DeMise wrenching right at the arm. With a hell of a kick to the head. DeMise going to the top. Risking it all. Oh, and missed the double stomp. Good drop kick right to the head of Tommy. Dragging it back up. Hefty kick. Oh, and Knox being driven into the ladder. Super kick. Oh, and a shining wizard up on his feet. Go for the leg. Oh, and Silence taking a methodical approach when it comes to Tommy DeMise. This has been a damn war. There's another kick. Knox. There to intercept. What is he doing? He's choking it. He just choked Silence. By the head, Mr. Knox. Got him up on the shoulders. Nasty powerbomb to Silence for the win. 1, 2, and John Stone there to make the save. John Stone eating a forearm. He's back up on his feet. Knox there to intercept with a famous serve. Oh my God! He just missed. That ladder in the ring. Oh, and Knox with a solid blow. Right to the head with that table. Oh, wait a minute. He's got a hold of Silence. I guess that's not going to be a factor. Silence busted open. John Stone right there. Good drop kick. Silence with the go for it. Clips in a clothesline. Wow. What the hell's going on here? I don't know what the hell's going on here. But Lord, it needs to fix itself. Moved out of the way. Oh, and reels him right back in. Knox trying to get in. There's Johnson to intercept. Good night. What an electric chair onto the floor. Silence making his way back outside. Tommy DeMise wanting to put an end to this matchup, to this Day of the Dead match. Up into a powerbomb. Right into a knee. For the win. 1. And the save. Knox making his way in. Silence needs to look out. Oh. Off into a corner. And Tommy DeMise rolling right onto the outside here. Good elbow there by Knox. Keep this matchup alive. Coming in, John Stone needs to look out. And a blow to the back of the head. Oh, where was he? Silence doesn't know who's behind him. Good DDT. As Knox looks to intercept. Trying to go for the powerbomb. Silence coming to life. Up into a kick. Silence dishing him on out to the floor. Nice right. Oh, and a drop kick to follow. Good right hand there by Tommy. He cinches him into a crooked mile. Unbelievable move there by Tommy DeMise. As Knox is on the outside, he just broke the kendo stick right over Silence. Oh, John Stone's in trouble. Oh, good kick to the midsection. And over, and over the ropes he goes. Oh my God! Silence could be finished. John Stone's just laying there. And Silence continues to fight another day. Somehow Tommy DeMise leaves the ring. Oh, he needs to look out. Setting up. Oh, wait a minute. John Stone with a nice forward. Mr. Knox about to go for a run. Oh, and Tommy DeMise could definitely be in trouble. Nasty right hand. Silence going to the top. Taken up. Oh my God! Bringing himself back inside the ring. Oh, and Knox eating a right hand. Tommy making his way on in. Trying to grab a hold. He cut him off. Right there by the head. Tommy DeMise leaning him. Stepping up into a disaster kick. For that cover. Oh, and Silence right there to intercept. I don't know if that worked. By the head is John Stone one more time. Dragging him. Apparently that table doesn't exist. By the throat. Beautiful maneuver. Tommy DeMise trying to look for it. Elbows there by Tommy. Striking away. Right hand to Stone. Acid Rainmaker. 1, 2, and the kick out. Oh! Wait a minute. Oh, and Knocks up on his feet. Making his way up. Oh, and a blow to the midsection there. Good kick. Silence in trouble. Oh, good God. For the cover. 1. Whoa. Setting up for the neck breaker. John Stone set him into an F5. Stomp right there. Oh, he's about to take John Stone in for a ride. Good power bomb for the cover. 1, 2. Ultraviolence wins the Day of the Dead street fight. Wow. What a motherfucking war. Silence is the only man to take out 2 people with a 630 splash or that murder's row. Wow. What a bloodbath here at Hardcore Fiesta. Jesus Christ.